It's Miguel here with a quick video. This video is for the Ram ProMaster 2500 or 1500. These are the lights that go on top of the roof. These were damaged when a garage door kind of like fell on it. So I needed to get replacements, and these things work really well. I'm gonna post an Amazon link on the description for these guys. What I'm doing is I'm just swapping them out. I'm not changing out the bulbs. I'm just doing a replacement so that it doesn't look like crap, but it's fairly easy. Let me see if I could just do a video. You're gonna need a ladder, a tall A-frame, and you peel this back over here, and then basically you're just gonna put the, let me see if I can get this. You're gonna put the connector in. So if you had light bulbs, you would just put it in, and basically it just sticks on to the roof. Sorry you can't see that, but I will be tightening it, and I will be taking the video of me tightening the screws. So once the screws are in place, we can flip, and that's what it looks like right there. Be careful leaning on the roof, and then pretty much that's it. I've gotten 3 done. Working on the second 2 over there. Basically it was this garage door that kind of like fell back down while I was pulling in. A little bit of scratching over here, but it's fine. Yeah, Amazon link will be on the description. This is a Chinese product, but they are very nice. Thanks for watching.